Hello dear friends, this is Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to get a lot of subscribers on your Instagram profile. It's absolutely free. How to do it? Very simple. To do it you go to your Instagram, open search and find any famous person. For example, I open Cristiano Ronaldo profile. We open his profile. Now refresh the page and go to the list of followers. We're going to gain subscribers by mass signing up other people. We start subscribing to the people on this list. We do this for a while. We log out, refresh the page and start subscription to everyone else again. There is nothing complicated. This method works. Repeat these steps a few times. After that, go to our account and check what the results come out. You can choose any known person for this method. I go into the notifications and see that people are already subscribing to me. That's such a large number in such a short time. That's such a great and easy way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.